Okay, we thank you for that one. Now, let's talk about the durable power of attorney. What is that all about?
Okay, the durable power of attorney is similar in the appointment of individuals to handle your affairs. With the durable or statutory power of attorney, it allows you to appoint someone to take care of your business affairs. Okay, they can handle your property matters, they can handle your financial matters, but and it does not depend upon your incapacity. Now, the word durable, when added to the statutory power of attorney, means that if you become incompetent, if
Mm.
dementia, Alzheimer's, or you are physically unable to take care of your business affairs, then your agent will be empowered to make decisions for you. And under South Carolina law, you can have limited powers given to an agent, or you can have broad powers. So your agent, again, like with the medical power of attorney, needs to be somebody you trust to handle your business, because
Mm.
once you give a power of attorney for your business affairs and you say that I want my child to have access to my financial records, my
Mm.
bank account, my savings account, my annuity, then of course, once they have that power of attorney, they are empowered to access, your finances as well as your property. And so I'm going to, if you would allow me to, I'm just going to run down the list of, powers that you can give under a durable power of attorney for business affairs. So if
Okay,
you want me to go to that, I can do that right now.
do that.
So the listing is really comprehensive. It covers almost every and anything a person might need someone else to do, to handle their daily affairs. And it starts with real estate, real property, selling real estate, mortgaging real estate, giving real estate to another family member, anything dealing with property. The power of attorney generally will allow, if you specify that. Handling what we call tangible personal property. You got a car that you want to get rid of, then of course there's a title to be signed. Your agent can sign that document, that title, transferring the property or selling the car to someone. Then there are your finances, and this is a common one. Who will handle my banking, depositing, withdrawing, transferring funds, paying debts out of my account. That's a common uh, uh, duty that a person who is the agent under durable power of attorney will use. But then there are also, got people who have annuities and investments. Again, they can handle documentation, transfers, withdrawals from those type of accounts. If you have a business, you can no longer handle your business, then of course your agent can step in. Dealing with Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security, any of the government programs that are common, particularly for folk in the more senior ages, being able to have someone to deal with those particular governmental programs is sort of essential. Okay. If you want to sue somebody, your agent can act on your behalf in filing a lawsuit. However, if someone sues you, then your agent can act to defend you. And keep in mind, and I don't think I've said this yet, but anything the agent does in your name, not
Okay.
in the agent's name. Okay. So if Arthur McFarland is being sued and I cannot respond, my agent will respond under the power as agent for Arthur McFarland, but my name will still be there. So the agent doesn't replace me. And while I'm on that matter, let me just say that an agent under a power of attorney doesn't take over the principal
Correct.
or the person. So you ain't suddenly, because you got a power of attorney, in charge of where I live and where I sleep, what I eat, and all this sort of thing. If I need you to handle my business affairs, then this will authorize you to do that. Payment of taxes. I think, if you're handling somebody else's affairs and you can no longer do it, then the agent can do it for you. So those are the primary responsibilities that you can give to someone else if you become, and you don't have to be incapacitated in order for someone to act for you. You could just be unavailable, or you can't leave the house, but the document has to be signed in the presence of a closing attorney, for instance, or at a bank. Then your agent can go there and take care of that business for you, even though you are very competent and you know what's going on, but you just cannot be present to transact a particular form of business. And the other thing is that you can, like with the healthcare power of attorney, you can appoint a successor.